Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So when opening different applications you may get this error, and today we will solve it. So right click on the start icon and go to the settings, then enter the control panel and open it. In the window that opens, click programs and look for turn Windows features on or off. Maybe you don't have Net Framework 3.5 selected here, so check the box and click OK and wait. Next select Let Windows Update download the files for you and wait. Close the window after downloading. After that, check your program, maybe the problem has been solved and it will start. If not, then open this PC, go to disk C and open the Windows folder. Scroll down and select System32. Find the file with this name and delete it. Go back and open the sys.wow64 folder and delete the exact same file. Then you need to open a browser and enter directs, go to the Microsoft website and download the installer. After installation, open it, agree to the terms, then uncheck the box and click next and complete the installation process. Click finish. After all the steps you have done, try to open the application. Be sure to write in the comments whether you have managed to solve this problem, and if you know another way, then also tell others. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.